chilling, dude.
Hanging out.
You just lay down.
Just taking a break in the shade, man.
Oh, he sees me. See him get up like he was drunk. Day 4. Is it day 4 or day 5?
5.
Is it 5?
Yeah, 5.
Day 5. Woke up in Yosemite. Don't know how we got here. Last night, a ranger came through and told us there was a cougar in the campsite. Then Rudy slept with it. I think. I don't know. They brought a piñata to Yosemite and they're swinging at it with a katana. Well, we're gonna go hike. We're gonna go hit the visitor center. Go see Glacier Point, I think, and Half Dome, I think is what it's called. So we're gonna hop in the Jeep, drive down the road a little bit. Quick stop. Check all this stuff out. This is huge, man. Back on the road. Back on the road. This is a giant waterfall. I'll show you here in a sec. Can you hear it? Check out the other side. Whoa. Not too bad. Taking a picture, Rudy taking a picture of me. This is nuts. All right, I'm running back up, get in the car. We gotta get going so we can see some more stuff. We're gonna hit Bridesville Falls, I think, and then get going on to the rest of the stuff.
You can feel the mist here. Yeah, it's misting.
Now we head up the road, huh? Huh? No, we're not hiking into that. I think, yeah, because look, there's the other road right there.
Yeah, this is just a big area.
It feels so small. Going to lower Yosemite Falls.
Yosemite?
Yosemite. I don't know what's going on over there. Yeah. This is beautiful.
No one knows how to walk around here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you know, you walk on the right.
Yeah.
They walk on the left. Everyone's walking like those people walking like right at us.
Grab a bite to eat. Vandersommen. We stop for food, then we're gonna get back on the road. Well, trail. Back on the trail. We got the lower falls to go to, and then back to the car, and then up the ridge a little bit. I think a little more. So, yeah.
I'm gonna buy this hat.
You are?
Yeah.
Should I get it? Cool with that.
Are we sure there's even a trail here?
No, we're lost.
How long does it say?
It's a 1 mile round trip. This shit is heavy to hold out like this. It's never good when it says common. It means it happens a lot. We're walking to Yosemite Falls right now. I felt the temperature get a lot cooler. There's mist in the air. You can hear it, and I can see it. Woo. It's cold. Hi. Everything's so big.
I know, it's great.
I wonder if the mic can hear me.
I wonder where that other trail goes.
Oh,
Not all the way up. No way.
no, up to there.
That point?
Yeah. I'd say so far it's been worth the sunburn.
Yep.
And I am burnt.
We'll see how painful it is tonight.
Yeah. Tallest falls in the U.S. 5th tallest in the world.
Really?
Yeah. Walking back to the Jeep. Breeze feels nice. How much would it take for you to go chase one of those?
I don't know. $100.
I'll give you $100. If you go chase a deer.
No.
Well, back to the Jeep. Feels nice to be sitting down.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta get to that store.
Yeah. What time is it?
I don't know. There's Half Dome. Side of the mountains. Falls, I think. Well, we're gonna run in the store, get some booze, batteries, whatever else. Stickers.
Booze and batteries. Maybe some more chasing.
Stickers, souvenirs. Well, that's it for the day. Hit the whole valley and got really sunburnt. Oh, and now we celebrate. I don't know.